The Troy Davis case is a prime example of why we need to ban the death penalty across the United States, not just in 16 states. This has nothing to do with whether Troy Davis is innocent or guilty. It has nothing to do with a Georgia Clemency Board that hasn't changed its mind in 33 years. It has nothing to do with the family of Officer McFall and their tragic loss. But it does have to do with human fallacy. People recant eyewitness testimonies all the time, and we also know that DNA evidence has also exonerated people in recent years. We are a country based on, we say proudly, Judeo-Christian principles, but this eye for an eye mentality is not the way to go. We need to develop alternative methods for the death penalty. Just with the Troy Davis case, if it has been proven, or if it becomes proven later on down the line that he was not the killer and we find the other killer, then Officer McFall will have lost his life, Troy Davis will have lost his life innocently, and then we will execute a third person. So we're talking about 3 lives potentially being lost in this particular case alone. This is not the way to go. And whether we are for the death penalty or against the death penalty, because we know that many people who are pro-death penalty are out there saying, well, this is what happens when you do the crime, you have to do the time, and you shouldn't be involved in these types of circumstances because this is what's going to happen. Please, we know that the death penalty has been used against certain marginalized populations of color in this country since its inception. And that is not the way to go in this country. We should be better. We should be able to do better. And the death penalty is too much of a permanent solution, because all we can say if we got it wrong is, oops. What does that do? How does that bring justice? How does that help people heal? This is not the way to go in this country. We should be able to do better, and we must develop alternative forms to the death penalty because it is a flawed method of punishment.